From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 34. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, なさい. なさい is used to tell someone to do something. It is often used by parents to children, teachers to the students. It sounds like a strong instruction or command. Grammar format is this. Use mass stem and then add なさい. So the grammar format is quite simple. For example, if you use a verb 食べます, the mass stem is this part 食べ. So drop the mass off and then add なさい. So 食べなさい means eat. It's an instruction, eat. Second one, 読みます to read becomes 読みなさい because the mass stem is this part 読み so after 読み add なさい Last one, 座ります means to sit. The mass stem is this part 座り so it becomes 座りなさいSo change the verb to mass stem and then add なさい. A quite simple grammar format. When is it used? なさい is commonly used when a parent instructs a child. A teacher gives instructions. Someone gives a strong suggestion. So for example, 早く寝なさい means go to bed early.This is used when a parent instructs a child, saying, go to bed. Next one, be quiet. 静かにしなさい. This is like when a teacher gives instructions to the student, be quiet. So now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back.Now the answers. Wash your hands. 手を洗いなさい. Mass stem is this 洗い. So after the add なさい. Next one. Brush your teeth. 歯を磨きなさい. To brush is 磨きます. Therefore, drop the mass off and then add なさい. Third one, apologize. 謝りなさい. To apologize is 謝ります. Therefore, use the mass stem and then add なさい. Last one, come over here. こっちに来なさい. Mass form is 来ます. Therefore, the mass stem is 来. So after this 来, add なさい. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 手を洗いなさい. 歯を磨きなさい. 謝りなさい. こっちに来なさい. Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you.Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。